Hi, I'm Karen Atkins, singer-songwriter and health educator. Today, we're going to do a movement called move back and forth like waves. This movement is said to help prevent and reduce the symptoms of both liver and lung disease. You'll hear me talk a lot about the liver because it forms hundreds of important functions in the body. The rhythm of the breathing along with the movement helps to increase lung capacity as well as vitalize the qi in the liver as well as the nervous system. So take a nice deep breath and come try this with me. You're going to love this exercise, especially if you don't live near the ocean and you like to imagine waves crashing by the shore. So we're going to start with one foot in front of the other in that bow stance, and hands are going to be in front. And as you bring the hands down, you're going to sink and bend the back knee, hands coming down, and you sink a little bit in the hip, and then you're going to be pushing the wave forward with your hands, come lifting the back heel, and then as you come forward, lifting the front toe, sinking down, hands coming up, pressing forward, and coming down. Inhale as you come down, sink, and push the wave forward. And you can switch and do the other side. Inhaling, coming down, lifting the front toe, sink, lifting the hands, pushing the wave, hands pressing all the way out so you can imagine you're pushing the wave far away to the horizon. Inhaling as you're coming down, bending the knees, sink, soften the groin, and push the wave forward. Inhale, coming down, lifting the front toe, sink, and pushing that wave. And so relaxed, you're gonna close. Awesome job sticking with it to the end. It's the small, consistent things making you feel good every day that'll make a huge difference in the long run. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to be the first to get all my new videos. Thanks and see you soon.